Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittney Bundles, and today's video is going to be a Fashion Nova unboxing and try on haul. This haul is going to be a little bit different than the other hauls that I've done before because I am expecting. So if you are expecting and you are looking for different like maternity clothes and different clothes that will feel comfortable and fit, you know, get some inspiration or ideas from this video. I am not wearing any maternity clothes at this point. I just wear things that are loose fitting for me and that feel comfortable. So even like today, I think the sweater that I have is from Fashion Nova, I believe. And then I have like a black skirt on, if you can see. I don't know if you can see a little bit. So you can see a little bit. This shirt is kind of too small, but I really didn't go anywhere today, so it's okay for the video, I guess. But yes, I have a bag from Fashion Nova. I don't have too many outfits or anything like that. I just kind of got some things that I thought would be comfy and look nice to accommodate my growing belly. So if you are interested in this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Please make sure that you are subscribed, and let's get right into the video. All right, so I'm opening what I have from Fashion Nova. I've had this package for some time. I just wanted to record a video before I actually wore any of the clothes from it. So gonna go ahead and randomly pull out some things. And also, I kind of forgot what I ordered too. So the first thing that I'm gonna show you all is this is what is this? It says Paris Plaid Maxi top. So I got it in the color black and white, and it has red in it as well, and it's extra large. This is what it looks like in the packaging. And I really don't remember. Oh, yes, I do. Okay, so this is like a long type of shirt. And I was thinking that I would wear this with like some leggings, or I might even just wear it by itself depending on how it looks. So on the back it says Paris 89. And this is something that's going to be really comfy. I can grow into it. Don't really have to worry about, you know, like my belly poking out like I do in this shirt. But I think it's going to be really comfy and it looks really cute. So I'm going to go ahead and try this one on. And at the end of the video, let me know which ones you like the best. Let me know what your thoughts are. If you have this outfit or anything like that, I'm eager to know. I'm going to also turn on this ring light behind me. Maybe that'll give me more lighting. I apologize if the lighting isn't the best. I am trying my best. Let me see. Okay, so that may have made a difference or not, I'm not sure. But I'm gonna go ahead and try this on. I'm seeing if they have the prices on here. So this was $23.99, and again, it's an extra large. And let me go ahead and try it on. I'll be right back with you all. Okay, so this is what it looks like on. It's like an oversized shirt, and I'll step back so you can kind of see it. So I will have to wear like leggings or some pants with this because the slit goes up pretty high. So you can either pull up like your leggings or your pants like that. So they'll be kind of high. Still a little bit of your side shows. Or you can wear like a t-shirt under it. So I don't know how I wear it. It just depends on, I mean, summer's coming up. So if it's really hot, I'll probably just wear it like this. If not, then I'll probably put like a t-shirt on under it. You can also do so much with this. You can like tie it up in the front if you want to. There's different ways that people wear it tied up in the front. I mean, I probably would just do something like that if I wanted to wear it tied up in the front. Side looks like that again. Back looks like this. And it's also just really cute in its original style as well, just like this. I'll probably wear this to like go running errands, go to the grocery store. If I want to, you know, take a quick trip somewhere, this is like a perfect outfit to wear. It's really, really comfortable. It doesn't have like any belt loops or anything like that on it. But like I said, it is, because you know, like some shirts, I just mentioned that because some shirts do, like this, do have like belt things around it. But this doesn't, but it's still really, really cute. Like I said, this is what the back looks like. So let me know what you think about this shirt. And I'll go ahead and see what I have next to try on. If this is just a plain white tee, I'm not going to try it on. Okay, so this one is a plain white tee. It's an extra large. It's called Laid Back Tee. It's in white. And this one was $6. And it's just literally like a plain white tee. So I'm not going to try that on because, like I said, it's just a plain white tee. Nothing really fancy about that. So let me go ahead and move on to the next item in the bag. This is switching up Angie's Jeggings. So these are jeggings. So these are like leggings that look like jeans, which I wanted to get because jeans really aren't that comfortable to me anymore, and I really don't love maternity jeans. I mean, sometimes you can find some maternity jeans that are okay, but I have not at this point. So I decided to just go ahead and try these out. I have never tried like jeggings, but you know, first time for everything. Trying to find out how much these ones were. Okay, so these ones were $17.99. They're size 1X. Normally I would get like a large, but like I said, I wanted to be able to grow into these. This is what it looks like. I like the design on the jeans. This is the front, or on the leggings, excuse me. This is the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and try these on. I'll probably keep the same shirt on. Yeah, I'll keep the same shirt on. I'll try these on and I'll be right back. All right, so I have the jeans on, or the jeggings, excuse me, and they feel really, really, really comfortable. I also forgot to show you that they have like a small gold zipper at the very bottom. Once I take them off, I'll probably show you all. But these feel really good. It's actually comfy enough for me to pull over my stomach. So you can wear them like this. I know some people like to wear their stomach like this. It's just whatever feels comfortable to you, but I can do like that and it still feels really good, excuse me. So this is what they look like on the side. Here's the back. No pockets or anything like that, just, and then here is, like I said, the front. I apologize if the lighting isn't the best, but hey, I am trying. And hopefully when I move up closer, you can kind of see. Here are the designs on the jeans. They feel really, really good, really comfortable. So I like these. And I'm gonna see if I can, I don't wanna move my camera. And yeah, I can't lift my leg up that high. All right, let me take these off and then I'll show you what this zipper looks like, and then we'll move on to the next outfit. All right, so this is what I wanted to show you all. They have these zippers on the side, which is really, really cute. They look like jeans, honestly. They don't really feel really, really light like leggings either. So I like jeggings. The next thing I have is almost everyday leggings. This is also in a size 1X in the color black. Let's see, almost everyday leggings. These are $8. So let me go ahead and try. I'm not trying to keep this shirt on the whole video. I do have some other shirts too, but yeah. It's very convenient. So let me go ahead and just put these on. These are just like traditional black leggings. Feel really comfortable. Not like the leggings that I just had on with this top. They're like a different material. Feels a lot softer. I'll try to get closer so you can see the material. But they're pretty much just like basic leggings. So these feel really comfortable as well. So the next thing, this is a jumpsuit. Let me see if there's any like shirts that I'm gonna put on. What is this? No, not a shirt. What's a shirt? That's a dress. Okay, here's a shirt. So let me see what this one is. This one is Flying Colors color black shirt. I got this in a size XL, and this was $20.99. Okay, so here's what it looks like on. I absolutely love this shirt. I really, really love this shirt. I love the way that it fits. I love the way that it feels. I really like it. I didn't want it too snug. I wanted it loose like this, and this is the look that I was going for. So let me step back so you can see. So this is what it looks like. It's a little bit longer in the back, which I like. Here's what the side looks like. Here is the back. I would probably wear this with leggings, honestly, like what I have on now, or get some more jeggings, maybe like some black jeggings or something like that. But what I have on now is, you know, probably how I will wear this. I could see myself wearing this to like a doctor's appointment. I could see myself wearing this to go grocery shopping. I can just see myself wearing this to run errands. I mean, I can just see myself in it pretty much. It looks really cute. I like the material. I like how it feels. It doesn't feel too lightweight, like too cheap. It feels really good. Like I said, I think it was only like $20.99. So here's what this looks like again. I love the color on it. I love the colors. I think it's just a really, really nice shirt. And I can grow into this shirt as well. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the next one. The next thing that I have is like this plain yellow shirt. It's called Laid Back Tee in size 1X. It's probably the same. Yeah, it's like $6. Same as the Laid Back Tee that I had in white. So I'm not gonna try this one on because it's just a plain yellow tee. The next thing that I have, what is this one too? Okay, it's a jumpsuit. Let's see what this is. This is, where did I get this? Cheetah. Body Moves midi dress. So this is a dress in brown leopard and it was $8.99. So this is what this looks like. Does it have a slit in the back? Yeah, it does. It has a little slit in the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this one on and I'll be right back with you all. Okay, so this is what this dress looks like on, which I like too. It's just kind of like a, I don't want to say it's a plain maxi dress. It's really not plain, but it's like a maxi dress. Here's what the back looks like. Again, it has the slit. I don't know if you can see the slit from where I'm standing, but I showed you the slit before I tried it on. So this feels really comfortable. The material feels really good as well. I'll get closer so you can kind of see the material. And this is just something I would probably throw on to go to like, I don't know, like a dinner or maybe not a dinner. Like if I'm going to like a place that's not too, like you don't have to really be formal, then this would be okay. Or if I'm wanting to, you know, get dressed up a little bit, look cute, not really do too much, and still be comfortable, this would be good too. You can kind of throw on some flip-flops with it. I don't see myself wearing any heels with it, to be honest, but yeah, some flip-flops or something like that. You could wear heels with it if you wanted to, but I just don't see myself doing it. So this is how this one looks again. And I'm going to see what else is on the list. So the next thing is this. This is camouflage, and it's a romper, camouflage romper. This one was $10, and it also is in a size XL. Oh, this is really short. This is real. I just looked at it like, whoa. I'm 5'8" for those that don't know. So this, I don't know how this is gonna look on me, to be honest. I'm gonna try it on and I'll be right back with you all. Okay, so this is what this one looks like. This is a little short for my taste. I didn't think it was gonna be this short, but I mean, it's still cute. I just don't know if I'll wear this out because it's not too short, but it's a little short for me. And then it feels like this is gonna fall. Like I feel like if I wear this out, I'll constantly be doing like this, and that's not really comfortable to me. So, I mean, it looks cute. It's not so short, but like I said, it's just depending on your preference, like what you're comfortable in. And I don't know where I would go in this, to be honest. Like I said, I feel like it rise and fall, so I'll constantly do this and this. But it does look cute though. Here's what the fabric looks like. So it's really cute. Stretchy, so it's comfortable. It doesn't feel like I'm restrained or anything like that. So this is that one. And the last one that I have is this. This is a Nova Season jumpsuit. It's in black. It was $16. And this one looks like this. Now I thought I got multiple jumpsuits. I don't see any more jumpsuits. Did I get multiple? Yeah, I got some. I'm supposed to have a burgundy one too, so I'll probably have to reach out to. Oh no, it's still in this bag. Okay. I was gonna say I'm supposed to have multiple jumpsuits. Okay. So this is the black jumpsuit. This is the burgundy one. I'm gonna go ahead and try on the black one first, and then I'll put on the burgundy one. So this is what this one looks like. Just a jumpsuit. I was thinking it'll be really comfy. Now I don't know if it'll be see-through. That's what I'm kind of hoping that it won't be. One of the reasons I got black and burgundy. I think they had some lighter colors too. I think they had like a light brown, but I just wanted to be on the safe side. So let me try this on and I'll be right back with you all. Okay, this is what this looks like. It's just a really plain jumpsuit. It doesn't look like it's see-through or anything. Here's the back. You can wear a skirt over this. I was thinking of getting like a cute jean skirt and wearing it across here. And just some flip-flops, some sandals. I got a tag, oh, plastic on my foot. I think that would look really, really cute. Or you can just wear it like this. You can put a jacket on over it. I could actually wear like this over it as well. If I didn't want to button it up or anything, I could just put this on over the bodysuit and, you know, that'd be that. That'd be really cute. It's probably what I'll end up doing one day. So this is the bodysuit. And I told you I'll have one more thing to try on. And it's the same exact outfit, just in a different color. So I'm gonna go ahead and try on the burgundy one. And I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the burgundy jumpsuit. I kind of like the burgundy one. I don't want to say better, but I don't know. I like the burgundy one a lot. Still doesn't look that see-through to me, but I guess when I go outside, that'll be the true test. Here's what it looks like on the side. Here's what it looks like in the back. It feels really comfortable. I can actually wear that black shirt with this too, because it has like some burgundy or red in it. So it'll look cute with that too. Or with this too, excuse me. So, yep. Definitely kind of cute. I think, I don't know if I like the black one. I think I like the black one better with this, but you can still wear them both. So that's that. Let me know down below which piece you like the best. I know I didn't have outfits for every single set. Some were just shirts, some were jeggings, some were rompers, some were, you know, I got a dress, and you know, I got this. So let me know what you think overall. Which one was your favorite? If you want to see more videos like this or anything that you feel that would be helpful to other viewers watching this video or to myself, be sure to leave your comments down below. I do want to thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.